What is up, everybody? It's Justin Giron and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm actually really happy for this video because we are going to be talking about the new Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette by Lunar Beauty and Manny MUA. So if you guys watched my previous video about me recreating Manny MUA's makeup tutorial, I went into depth about why I chose him and why he was such an inspiration to me. And seeing that he finally came out with his own eyeshadow palette really is like wow, finally, like Manny has his own makeup company. Like, oh, I'm so happy. Oh, okay, so in this video, guys, I already opened the box and everything, and I know that 85% of beauty gurus have filmed this video already, and I'm pretty sure hundreds of other customers have filmed this video already. I had to because obviously it's Lunar Beauty, it's Manny MUA, everybody's going crazy for it, so why not, right? So if you guys want me to dip into the eyeshadow palette, test out the pigments, and see if it is worth it, you better keep on watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. So when you guys open the eyeshadow palette, let me see if the camera is going to... There we go. Oh my god. This palette, guys. Oh my god. It has all the neutral colors, which is great for me because I love natural eyes. I love nude colors. I pretty much always wear nude colors. I know you guys see that a lot. And it also comes with 6 pop-in colors to be edgy, to be a drag. And I also love how this palette comes with a brush, because when you're on the go and you can't take all your makeup brushes, you can use this brush. But I do have a little say in it. When I looked at this end of the brush, it's not as fluffy as all the other brushes that comes like in the Anastasia palette or the one that Manny uses on his Morphe stuff, you know? And it's like a flat buffering brush. I don't know if this is the right term or not, but I won't be using his brush. Alright, so I want to use some bold colors and then I want to use some natural colors. So, Alright guys, so I'm going to be daring and bold. Got the Morphe brushes right here, and I'm going to be using the M433 that Sister James has recommended for every one of us. And from this palette right here, I think I'm going to go in with Snatch, this burgundy color. Ooh. Okay, so I'm barely tapping it and pigment is coming. And not that much fallout. Good job, Manny. Okay, so I zoomed in into my eyes so that way you guys can see the colors. I really do not like when cameras are super zoomed into my face. I know that it's not that much zoomed, but I just really do not like close-ups. But for this look, I will break that rule for you guys. So I'm going to be taking the Morphe M433 and I'm going to be placing this color in the crease. And I'm just going to go ahead and lightly blend it because I'm not sure how much pigments this carries and how much I need to blend. So it's really pigmented. A little bit goes a long ways. Okay. You know, on my skin, I expected this to be a little darker. But hey, I'll just add in some more. Alright, and I'm going to be taking the Morphe M411 and I'm just going to blend out the color to my brow bone. And I'm going to go in with shade Cake Face and Sickening to really blend out those colors. Alright guys, so this is Snatched on my crease, and honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed because it's not coming out like a real dark red. It's coming out like a pinky red. So I gotta work with what I got, but honestly though, the pigment is spot on. Let me just finish up this other eye real quick. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add on a second shade, and I'm going to be going in with shade Trade. It is like a really deep brown color, and I'm actually going to be putting this in the crease as well, just so that way this can be like a vampy dark color. I don't know what I'm going to create with this, but it's going to be lit. Wow, this brown with this color, ooh, honey. I'm seeing it coming along already. And I did take the Morphe M518 brush. This is honestly a really good brush for any color eyeshadows to be put in the crease duct and also to be blended upwards to the colors as well. I honestly would recommend this brush. And honestly, when I'm starting to play with this palette, I'm really truly understanding the message behind this, because every day when it comes to makeup, it really involves like artistry and just really pushing the limits. And I honestly think that's why Manny created this palette, just for people like us to, you know, try makeup and to push ourselves from our comfort zone and to try all these edgy colors. And I feel like that's what I'm doing right now with this look. And honestly, Manny, thank you. Alright guys, so I'm going to add on some concealer on this area because I really want the shimmer eyeshadow to be very, very poppin'. Some of you guys might do this trick, some of you guys might not, which is totally fine, but I really want to make sure that the color will be very noticeable. Alright guys, so now that I added concealer on, I'm really debating if I should add on Beat or Legendary. I just swatched these two and oh my god. You guys see this? Hold on, let me just see this real quick. Ooh. Not the best swatch, but damn, do you guys see this? What to add? What to add? Alright guys, so for the center of my lid, I'm going to be adding on the shade Beat. It is like a very champagne-y, shimmery color, and this will honestly look so good with this look. You guys see that? She's coming. She's coming through. You guys see this? It's coming along. Now it makes me wonder what I'm going to add on the lower lid. Alright guys, so this is going to sound really crazy, but I'm going to go in with the shade Kiki. This is like a mint ice cream color shade, if you guys can see that right here. And I'm going to be applying it on the lower lid. Probably would be better if I used a different eyeshadow brush. But this minty color shadow here looks very pale, but it's okay. We're going to build it up. We're going to make it work. Alright guys, so I'm going to also add on Fishy as well, so I can make these two a new color. I just want to see how they would look together, and it's honestly not looking bad at all. Alright guys, so this is my completed eyeshadow look. I still need to add on some mascara, some lashes, which I will do off camera, and when I come back, I will just go ahead and jump right into my full honest thoughts on Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and talk about the palette. When I first noticed it, the size, oh my god, it's huge. And the shadow sizes are pretty good for a big palette like this. The only thing though that I was not living for was the brush that came with it, only because this part right here, like I said earlier, is like a flat fluffing brush, and it's really not like the Anastasia one or like the Morphe brushes, so that one was like a, yeah, kinda, you know? The other thing that I wasn't too crazy about was the mirror size. I mean, this little tiny, like this size going across, and I wasn't really too crazy about it. It could be a little bigger, but I do love the patterns around it, the little crown, be a queen. I mean, I love it, but the mirror, it could be bigger. For a big palette like this, it needs a bigger mirror. But hey, it's a first palette, maybe he'll do good on the second try. Other than that, the formula in it was very pigmented, very blendable. I mean, you guys can see. And I really did step out of my comfort zone with this palette because, like I mentioned earlier, with this palette, you should find a way to jump out of your comfort zone, create new looks, create new amazing content with this palette. I mean, that is exactly what being a drag is all about, and that is why every day life is a drag. So the palette, is it worth buying? I think it is. Manny, if you ever come across this one day, just know that I love you. I'm so happy for you. Finally glad that you came out with your own cosmetics, and I cannot wait to see whatever else you have in the future. If you guys love this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And of course, like everyone says, do not press the big red button, but it's YouTube, so please press that big red button. You'll be subscribed and be notified if you click on the bell. Alright guys, so that is my whole entire opinion on this palette. This is my whole look on this palette. I really hope you guys do love it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.